You type a sentence, and seconds later, you get a masterpiece. AI image generation feels like magic, but it's actually a skill anyone can learn. Let's break down how to turn your words into art. How does it work? It's called diffusion. Imagine a cloud of random TV static. The AI has been trained to find patterns in that static. Step by step, it removes the noise to reveal the image you asked for. It's sculpting with pixels. There are three main tools you should know. Midjourney, the artistic king, stunning style, runs in Discord. Best for high-end visuals, DALL-E 3, the easiest to use, built into ChatGPT. It understands complex sentences perfectly. Stable Diffusion, the open source option, runs on your own PC. Total control, but a steeper learning curve. To get good results, use this formula. Subject plus style plus mood plus lighting tech. Bad prompt, a cat, good prompt. A fluffy cyberpunk cat, neon lighting, rainy city street, 8000 resolution, cinematic depth of field. Be specific about what you want to see. AI isn't perfect. It messes up hands and text. That's where inpainting comes in. It lets you highlight just the messy parts and ask the AI to fix the hand or change the shirt color without redrawing the whole image. We have to talk about ethics. These models were trained on billions of images from the internet. Currently, in many places like the US, purely AI-generated art cannot be copyrighted. And many artists are rightfully concerned about their style being mimicked. Use these tools responsibly. It's not just for art. Use it for storyboarding video ideas, mocking up website layouts or logos, creating unique presentation backgrounds. It's a brainstorming partner that never gets tired. The only limit is your vocabulary. But start creating if this helped. Like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.